What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, quick little unboxing here. It's the CS-400 Echo 18-inch chainsaw. And I know what you're thinking. You just did a review on the ryobi 18-inch. Okay, well, it turns out the ryobi, it just wasn't a good fit for me. All right. I mean, it was a good do-it-yourselfer. Don't get me wrong. If you're a homeowner, go out and spend the money. It was $160. This one, $299 at the depot. It's an Echo. It's a CS-400. It's 40.2 cc's. I believe the ryobi was only like, I think it was 30 cc's. So this is another 10 cc stronger. I needed it. That thick tree I had in the video, it was just taking too much time. It was bogging out and things like that. So I went, this isn't the top of the line. I think they have a CS-420 or something like that, but this one had a lot of good reviews, so we're going to do a quick unboxing, all right? It's the Echo CS-400. Sorry about that. 18-inch chainsaw. Okay, let's see how you open up this thing. The one thing I don't think it comes with is a carrying case like the ryobi. I'm not sure. Hang on a second. I don't have a knife with me, but let me just cut this open. This tape is strong. All right. So have yourself a blade. I usually have one, but I'm not in the trailer right now, so we take the tape off. Okay. Let's give this thing a shot, see what it looks like. Okay, we open it up. It comes all packed in cardboard, all right. I threw the receipt in from the store, so I had it. You got your owner's manual, okay. The one thing I'm used to telling everybody is, okay, that's the owner's manual. Register, because I'm always buying the rigid, but you don't register this, right? Here is a blade guard. It goes in the front. Okay, I don't need that. Let's see, in the front here, it did say, okay, right here, if you see, it's a 5-year consumer warranty and a 1-year commercial, okay? So you got about a year, I guess, if you're going to work this thing out in the field. All right, comes with some tags. All right, let's pull this thing out. Oh, we got a little thing of 2-cycle right here. The oil you're going to need to mix it with the gas. We got ourselves, all this stuff is loose. It's just in the box. Got ourselves the tool. All right, let's see. I'll pull this bad boy out. Let's see what we got. Nice guard. Oh, and it's figures. They got it tie wrapped. I don't have nothing to cut it with, so we're going to leave the guard on for now. All right, so let's take a quick look at this bad boy here. Definitely built a lot better than the ryobi. All right, you can just tell by picking this thing up. It's a lot more solid, okay? You got your on and off switch. It's a metal switch. Okay, you got your little purge pump there. You got your choke. Okay, we're gonna have to figure out how to do this. Pretty basic. You're gonna set the choke. Here's where you put your fuel in. Okay. It's got the little holder there so you don't lose the cap. All right. See, the ryobi had the fuel and the oil for the bar next to each other. Okay. Bar oil is up here in the front. That's where you put your bar oil. So every time you fill this bad boy up, you always make sure you're topped off with the bar oil. Okay. It's a nice saw. I mean, the engine, it's a lot bigger than what the other one was. And here, I would think, is the air filter. So you would access it with this little screw here. Let's take a quick look at it. La, la, la. And there you go. You got your air filter here. I'm not going to take it out. And this is where your spark plug is accessed. It's where you get to your spark plug, okay? All right, there. All right, so we're going to do that. We're going to put this back in place. We're going to tighten this up. I mean, I try to put gas in it and start it, but I can't. I'm inside my house right now, so We're going to keep it nice and dry, but I figured I'd show you my new purchase. It's the CS-400 Echo. Nice, man. This thing is beefy. You know, it's got a heavy, durable plastic. The ryobi was real plastic. I mean, when you grab the ryobi by the handle, you can almost twist and turn it. I mean, you could tell it was only a $150, $160 saw. But I'll tell you, I've read some good reviews on this, okay? Both residential and commercial, believe it or not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this thing going tomorrow. We're going to finish off on those logs. And then I'll have a follow-up video on what this thing is all about. All right? I'm sure you can hear that in the background, and you probably know who that is. All right, so we're going to end the video like this. Hey, I appreciate you watching it, of course. The I'm sorry, the light's in the way. CS-400 Echo, okay? Tell you what, it's a nice looking saw for $299. Definitely a lot better built than the ryobi, okay? Not the best saw out there. There's a lot of better saws, but we're going to try it, okay? Again, thanks for watching. If you can, just like the video. If you're into these Echoes, like them, okay? And subscribe, share, and like. And do all that other stuff. You know what you got to do, cuz. All right, and on that note, where are we going to... Wait a minute, let's see. Sonny! Oh, yeah, and I grabbed these, too. You know what these are. Okay, if you're not sure what these things are, it's what you sharpen the blade with. Okay? Some people go out, they just buy new blades. But these little files are a way of sharpening the blades, and we'll go through that one day if I have time. All right, and we're going to leave it off to... we got to look for my boy, Sonny. Yo, Sonny! Sonny? There he is. Hey, Sonny. What do you say, Sonny? Do you like the Echo? Huh? You give it a thumbs up? All right, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Right, Sonny? All right, take care. Thanks for watching.